morning, everyone, and welcome to the spring of 2020 semester. Can't believe we've already questions. But I wanted to give you just a quick introduction. Welcome to the class. I'm looking forward to start semester off. So as course, I will go ahead and open up modules on Sunday, and then they typically close the next Sunday. Sometimes if I'm at the game, I'll open them up on Saturday night. I know sometimes people work well on the weekends. We have very busy schedules during the week. Sorry, it just happened to catch you have 2 weeks off of vacation, you come back and you get sick. But go ahead and poke around through the course. You'll notice that at the very bottom of the screen are some resources for you, the Writing Center and some of the policies and sample assignments for the course that you'll see throughout the semester. We have discussion board posts typically weekly. I might be switching that up a little bit, but the discussion boards will be due and your responses by the Sunday, midnight the following Sunday. And so I'll just give you a quick backstory. So when I first started teaching the course, and you might have noticed in the syllabus before I changed it, it said that you had to have your original post due on Thursday, and you had to have 2 follow-up posts to peers due by the Sunday. And then I started taking courses myself again in the Ed Leadership program. So I started getting a chance to feel what it felt like to be on courses. And I realized quickly that you have that Thursday requirement and Sunday requirement. It was just really hard to meet, especially with a busy schedule. So I eliminated that from the course. You just need to have your original post and your peer post due by the Sunday. And hopefully that helps you guys out. And just try to get that original post out there. Otherwise, you don't lend much time for a discussion to build or for feedback from your peers and some of the assignments you'll be working on. A lot of the discussion board posts are building up towards the critical assignment for the course, which is planning your own program evaluation. So it's important to keep up with those because you'll be posting different segments of the assignment and you get a chance to get some feedback. So just keep up on your posts, make sure you kind of get out there and you get active. We have a small class this semester, thank goodness. So hopefully I'll be more active in the discussion board and get a chance to post to everybody and get some feedback you guys. So I'm looking forward to that. I mentioned the critical assignment, which is creating a program evaluation of your own. You're not actually doing the evaluation, collecting the data and that kind of thing. You're just planning it out, which is nice because you can make it really geared towards what you're using and working on in your school site. So while we start to get into that assignment, I want you to think about what you use at your school. And that's what you should really look into. And it's interesting because when you start to dig a little deeper into some of the programs that you use at your school sites, you'll find that a lot of the times program evaluations have already been done on them. So you can kind of find out some more information and background on the validity of some of those programs you're using. Okay, and so I just wanted to introduce myself and give a quick overview. I'm going to open the module this morning. I'm switching it. Like I said, I'm going to do a little switches this semester. So I'm going to start with a program called Flipgrid, and that's how we're going to introduce ourselves. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that turns out after we post them. And then I might do some switching of discussion board type things in different formats. So because I am switching the course a little bit, if you do notice something's off somewhere, feel free to email me right away and let me know that something seems a little bit off. I'll try to keep that at a minimum. Other than that, you can email me. I'm around checking my email daily. Also, I do work for the School District of Palm Beach County. I am, you can see, ESOL coordinator here at Boca Raton Middle School. So I'm always on my computer. I have my Palm Beach County email address up all the time. So gail.sigalakis@palmbeachschools.org. You can get in touch with me also, but the FAU one is fine as well. And then I think on the bottom of my email is my phone number. So if you can't get in touch with me or I have no problem jumping on the phone real quick, sometimes phone conversations help clarify things a little quicker than email do. So you can send me a text that you need to talk or email me that you want to set up a time to talk on the phone and we can do that. think I covered everything for now. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and open it up and you can get started for the week. And then I look forward to getting to know some of you guys through email and phone and through your responses. Have a great week.